Hey kids, good morning. This year in grade 3, our first unit of inquiry is about health, in which we will study about physical, mental, social and emotional well-being. Well-being means our health. So we will try to integrate our English lessons also with UOI, where you can develop your social, mental and organizational skills. So our first English unit for this month is Prudy's problem, which is in Reading Street 3.1. So take out your Reading Street 3.1 and page 273, Get Organized. Here it's given the tips how to organize your room. So let's read together. Are there enormous piles of stuff in your room? Are your things scattered everywhere? Is your closet clutter putting a strain on the door? Then it's time to take action. First, realize that this will take time and work. Look at each thing. Ask yourself, do I use this? Will I ever use this? For instance, you might need that extra button or pair of shoelaces sometimes. But you will probably never use that single sock with the big hole. So decide what to get rid of and what to keep. Take the things you are getting rid of. Are they in good shape? Give them to a charity. If not, throw them out. Next, put the things you are keeping into groups. Put each group together in one place. Put all the books on a shelf or table. Hang the clothes in the closet or put them in drawers. Do you have a collection of objects such as rocks, postcards, rare butterflies or stamps? Display them together on a shelf, table or wall. Now vacuum and dust your room. Congratulations! You have a shiny, clean and well organized room. Now kids, for task for today is open this, get organized, open your English notebook also. We are having only one notebook for classwork and homework, and there are 6 yellow words given on this page: enormous, scattered, strain, shoelaces, collection and butterflies. Then 4 more words, difficult words I highlighted for you, that is instance, probably, charity and well organized. So the yellow words meanings you will find it in the glossary given on page 542 on the back of the book. It's given in alphabetical order. So in the notebook, I'll give you the image how to do it with the word, meaning and sentence. Now you read this story well organized once again and do the word meanings and sentences. Later we will discuss this during our Zoom session. Have a nice day. Our objective here is to develop loud reading, understanding and vocabulary.